Hello everyone, bringing another math video. So today we are going to compare three roots and find the largest. So the first thing to do is to rewrite the roots. So let's get started. So the first root is 2 to the power 2 to the exponent 1/3. Okay. The second is 3 to the 1/4. And then we have 7 to the 1/12. Okay. So here we see that if you multiply 3 by 4, we have 12. Okay. So we can rewrite the powers here and say that 2 to the exponent 1/3 is 2 to the exponent 12 over 4. Okay. 4 over 12. Excuse me. So it's 2 to the exponent 4 divided by 12. This one is 3 to the 3 divided by 12. And then we have 7, and we can let it that way, to the 1 divided by 12. Okay. But as you understand now the properties of powers. You know that when you have a to the exponent b multiplied by c, okay, it equals a to the b to the c. Okay, so here we can rewrite the powers, and we can write 2 to the 4 to the 1/12. Here we can say it's 3 to the 3 to the 1/12. And here we can let it that way. Okay. So now 2 to the 4 is 16 to the 1/12. 3 to the 3 is 27. To the 12th. And then we have 7 to the 12th. Okay. So we have now a common exponent, which is 1/12. So we can compare these numbers, and we find that the largest is the second one. Okay, 27 to the 1/12. Okay. So the largest numbers was this one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.